The chances of speaking to a 5,000 person business audience happening regularly in Japan are remote for most of us. Nevertheless, in case you find yourself in front of a very large audience, here are a few hints on how to adjust to the increased size of the event. Get there early and go and sit in some of the most far-flung locations. It might be the last row at the back or the rear seats on the elevated third tier of the venue. You realize you will seem like a peanut to audience members seated at the far extremes. And so you need to big up your presentation to suit the tyranny of distance. Definitely go for the pin mic so that your hands will be left free for gestures. These gestures will have to become much larger than anything you've been used to before. Marshal your ki, the intrinsic energy we possess and is most famously seen in martial arts. Try and push your energy, your ki, to the very back wall of the hall. When the venue is really big, you have to go even bigger when presenting.